Let's barbecue with the CO crew, mini lamb burgers.
Hi, I'm Mimi.
And I'm Loz, and we're
The
CO
CO
crew, spreading the word about carbon monoxide.
We love getting outside now it's summer, especially for a barbecue. And we've got another great recipe idea for you. It's really quick and easy.
And most importantly, seriously delicious. So, get ready for mini lamb burgers. It's barbecue season, so let's talk burgers. Take it away, Mimi.
To start, we're going to chop a medium onion and crush a garlic clove and put them in a large mixing bowl with 500 grams of minced lamb. We're then going to add 25 grams of tomato puree, some parsley, 2 teaspoons of both Worcestershire sauce and Dijon mustard, and 125 grams of breadcrumbs.
Remember to season with salt and pepper. You're going to need to mix all of these ingredients together. It's a good workout to do by hand, but you can always use a food processor if you have one.
Once it's all mixed, take a ping pong ball sized handful of the mix and shape it into a small patty. You know, a burger shape. Then brush with olive oil and they're ready for the barbecue.
Remember to turn these over to cook evenly. They'll take between 5 and 10 minutes to cook through.
Then it's time to build your burger. Juicy tomato slices and rocket or baby gem lettuce, a nice for a fresh crunch. If you like your burgers cheesy, Monterey Jack is a good choice. Or even just cheddar cheese slices. And don't forget, have some ketchup and mayo to hand.
Remember to get an adult to help you place things on and take things off the grill.
And that's another great idea for your barbecue from the CO crew.
Now remember to always use your barbecue out in an open space and never inside anywhere.
As well as making sure that your house doesn't smell of smoke, barbecues produce a gas called carbon monoxide. You can't see it, hear it, smell it, taste it, or touch it, but it can make you feel ill, or worse.
That's why it's important to follow these rules to stay safe.
Give the barbecue lots of space in the open air. Never take them indoors or inside a tent or even a gazebo.
Make sure gas barbecues are working correctly and are properly assembled.
It's not difficult to stay safe, and it's worth taking the time to make sure nothing spoils the perfect barbecue. Well, almost nothing.
Let's barbecue with the CO crew. Look online for barbecue recipe cards and how you can send the CO crew your favourite recipe. You may even win a prize. Find out more at funkinslive.com/CO crew.